Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription bundle, and this month I got like a standard size. So usually when I get my bundles, I get a ton of clothes, and everybody asks me, how come you get so many clothes? It's just because that's what they send me to review, but it looks like now they sent me more of like a normal bundle, so we'll go ahead and get through that here in a second. And then there's a little insert inside that says, if you still need gifts for the holidays, they make great stocking stuffers. So, we'll take a look at what they sent me. One of the jewelry pieces is in there. Looks like I got some jeggings. These are very nice and soft, stretchy. And a shirt from Hippie Chic, so I'm super excited about that. And if you've never watched one of my unboxings of the Nadine West before, I do insert pictures of the items so that you can see them better at the end. This is a nice maroon top. The shoulders are cut out. There's ruffles, and then it continues down and it is long sleeves. So kind of interesting. I do like the, what do they call them, cold shoulders shirts, but I don't know what the ruffles are going to look like. It is a nice long top though that would go good with leggings, so we'll see. And then the necklace is in here, which may or may not be completely tangled. Let's see. Ooh, not really. That's surprising. Look at all those different layers. My goodness, that's got a lot going on, but cute. Have like a stone, little pink stone, gold bar, a triangle with that matching pink stone, and then this one that just kind of has like a little cube shape. So kind of interesting. Put that over there. And some more jewelry tucked in there. Got some earrings. This is another Hippie Chic. Yay. I love their shirts. Oh, this is definitely something I would wear. It's a cool color. I don't have anything this color. Got some little crisscrosses going on. Long sleeve, which is perfect for winter. It's super soft. I love their stuff. So excited for that. And this one is from Elite, I think is maybe how you say it. And I have received several items from them as well. Ooh, that's cute. It's a dress, and I like that it kind of splits at the shoulder and it's like see-through, but just like a little bit, and then it stops, and then it's long sleeves. That's cute. I don't know if that's going to be too short, but again, you could put it with some leggings and some like tall boots. And then normally I get three. I normally get a necklace, a bracelet. I'll have to check. Something else hidden in there? I'll have to investigate. Here's my earrings. They also give you like a little itemized little label. It tells you how much everything is, so you know if you keep it how much it's going to cost you. So that's the earring. And no, I didn't get a bracelet this time, actually, looking at the tracking sheet here. So maybe they switch stuff around, but I usually get necklace, bracelet, earrings, and then a couple pieces of clothing. So very interesting. I'll go ahead and insert all the pictures here now. And if you'd like to try it, I have a promo code for free shipping. So make sure you check that out in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.